Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're shooting Tenex for $29 a box. That's our ammo we're shooting today. As usual, 10 foulers at 50 yards, then we'll shoot one, maybe two groups, 50. Then we go to 100 for a few groups. See how it works in this CZ457 LRP. So here we are at 50. Target down range has a 1-inch sticky, a 2-inch sticky, and a 3-inch for at 100 yards. So what I'm going to do is I'll shoot my foulers at the 2-inch. I saw the wind pick up huge on that last shot. And it's going with the same speed now. And we got about the same impact movement there. Okay, it's starting to calm down. Well, that was an awful initial group. Alright, so I'll pull it a 1/2 mil right, and then you see the next 5 are any better. So that's honestly disappointing how bad that group is. Okay, it's probably about 5 miles an hour now, and we're overlapping, so that's no good. And I forgot to plug in the magneto speed. God. So we're gonna might have to redo this one. That was pretty terrible. Let's do our 5-shot. On that sticky there. The left one, I might as well leave it a 1/2 mil, because then we're going to actually print on the sticky, but oh, I don't like doing that. Okay. 10x, 50 yards, 5 shots. That 5 wasn't too bad. I went 1 mil over. We'll shoot another 5. Just get some more of that crony data. Get some velocities. These have that cool flat nose nipple tip bullet. Pretty neat. Definitely not as oily as Lapua ammo. That stuff's crazy. Okay, another 5 shots. And we're going to be impacting left now. Way left, apparently. And doesn't look too promising so far, but that could all change at 100, so let's get out to 100 and see what we get from there. Alright, so we got our Eley Tenex. Ah, for sakes. I didn't reset this. Well, we're at 100 yards now. I just realized I didn't re-zero my chronograph from the last video using the Lapua Midas Plus. So all those shots for data are gone. I'm going to finish off this Eley Tenex box at 100 yards and get our data that way. This sucks. That's a $30 box I was going to use another time. But anyways, it is what it is. Kind of pisses me off. 1.6 up. Hold dead center on the 3-inch sticky. Huge groups. Oh my God. It's awful. Come on, mill. Pull mill right. Might as well go a mill. Almost 1.4. Now they're way off to the right. All right, we'll do one more, and I'll come back. Go push left. Half a mil. That should line this up on the middle. Come down 1/10 as well. Third group at 100. Definitely nothing to brag about. Hopefully our next test is something a little more special. Stick around for all the shot data, well, the last 15 anyways. Yeah, at 100 is nothing spectacular in this rifle.